Networking, building a professional network during your academic years can open up opportunities for internships, research collaborations, and job prospects after graduation. Unleash a world of opportunities. Start networking in your academic years. Imagine internships, research collaborations, and jobs waiting for you at graduation. Networking isn't daunting, it's about making connections. Engage with peers, professors, and industry professionals, cultivating relationships that will lead to success. Leverage social media platforms, events, and associations to meet influential people. Your network is like a gold mine. The more you dig, the more treasures you find. Remember, it's a two-way street. Give as much as you take. Share knowledge, offer assistance, and be an active, contributing member of your network. So start today, build your professional network, and take a leap towards a prosperous future.